Rain helps things grow. Just look at this tree. Rain helps beautiful flowers grow. When it rains, you have to use your window wipers. If you wear rain boots, you can play in all the puddles. We can't go to the playground when it's raining because the playground is too muddy. What are some other activities we can do instead? We could go to our favorite restaurant to get a bite to eat. We could see a movie indoors at a movie theater. You could go to the public library and read books while meeting new friends. We could go shopping at the local mall. We could go to a museum and learn new things. There are so many fun things to do when it's raining outside. What will you choose?
Friends, as we've been talking about in class lately, we've been talking about forecasting. Let me remind you that that means to predict the weather. So a forecaster is a weather person who would say, on Monday it will be sunny, and they have a sun. And then Tuesday it's going to be cloudy. Wednesday it will be windy. Thursday it will be rainy. And Friday it will be snowy. And now to the weather women, Rebecca and Chelsea.
Hi friends, it's a rainy day here in Manhattan, Kansas. It's really chilly outside too. And if you look up at the sky, it's really cloudy and gray.
That's why it's so important to bring your umbrellas so you don't get wet when you're walking to school. Also, don't forget your rain boots so you can splash in those puddles. And lastly, bring a raincoat so you can stay warm. Now to Ashlyn.
Aw, man, I didn't bring my rain boots or an umbrella.
I'm a prepared person because I have an umbrella.
Do you think I'm prepared? Well, I am because I have boots for the rain.
Do I look prepared? I'm prepared for the weather because I brought my raincoat.
After watching our video, what should you wear on a rainy day?